Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Maserati Quattroporte and how to remove the rear door panel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So opening a Maserati door isn't as simple as any other door panel removal, and I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how you could do this at home without any additional special tools. So one is using this butter knife, and what you're going to do is remove this wood panel trim. And to do that, again, be very careful with all this. You don't want to damage your interior, but you're going to put your knife in and basically you're going to start prying out. I've already pried it out, but you're going to slowly keep prying it out. Then you're going to give it a tight pull and it'll come right out. So here's what it's held on with. So once it's out of the way, you want to put it safely away. And this is our goal. We're trying to reach these hidden screws right here. So we're going to remove these. Next, we're going to remove the grab handle. And to remove this trim, again, with your butter knife, you're going to stick it underneath right here. And again, just pry around. Once you do that, you should be able to pull it right off. Now that it's off, we've exposed another Allen socket. And to remove these Allen screws, you're using a size 5. And as you guys can see, it's a pretty long screw. So here it is. So here's the screw, and it's going to be the same thing right up here. So right up here, the screw is going to pull right out. And now the third Allen screw is located in this reflector. And to pry that, there's a little cutout right here. And here's the third screw that comes right out. With the third one out of the way, we're going to remove the fourth one, which was hidden right underneath here. And then if your screw is stuck, you could get some magnets and bring it right out. That's our fourth one. And last but not least, our fifth hidden Allen screw is behind this door handle. Right here, you're going to remove this rubber grommet. It's like a rubber stop, so your handle doesn't hit like that. But now, if we look behind, there is our fifth hidden Allen screw. And one very huge tip I want to give to you guys is to make sure that you know which screw came out of which hole, because as you guys can see, they're all different sizes. Once your door is able to flap like this, that means the bottom portion is completely free. Now what we got to do is deal with the top, and all that's left is to make sure you remove the door lock. And this just twists off. And it's going to come right out. And then what you're going to do is lift the door up. So lift it from this way and lift it from that way. And if you want to make the job easier, if you got a good grip, just hold the door like this and lift it up. Just like that. But please be careful. Don't just pull the door completely back, as there's still cables connected to it. So here are the cables. We have the door latch and the cable harness. To remove this, we're going to take it out of here and then push this piece out. And then we have this cable harness. And to remove that, we're going to press this and pull the bottom piece out. With those two things out of the way, the door panel is now completely free. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to remove the rear door panel on your Maserati. This is the Quattroporte. And I hope this video really helped you guys out, as there is like no video or tutorial on how to remove this. So if this video did help you guys out, please hit the like and share button. And please subscribe, as I'm going to be having a lot more videos on this Maserati Quattroporte. Thank you for watching.